Alright, so this is just a quick little video for you guys on YouTube. I already made a big video about how I built this and stuff like that, but I have made myself a load bank. We've got 4 sets of 12 volt, 24 watt bulbs here. And the way that we have this wired is that they can be either singled or in series. So basically, if you plug into your 12 volt terminal here, there's diodes here isolating these guys from backfeeding each other. So you've got a bus here. This is actually the positive bus. It's actually technically, well, the common is actually negative. So you've got your diodes, your blocking diodes, keeping these from backfeeding. So when you actually plug in, I'll go 12 volts here, 12.4. So we're going negative there, and 12 volts here. As you can see, you've got power. I can add current as need be. Pretty cool, eh? Although many of you might just think that that's just a silly thing. But now if I move this over to the 24 volt, as you can see, it lights up both bulbs. Isn't that cool? So yeah, it's just a very basic load bank for a video that I've got coming up. I just figured I'd throw a quick clip on there for you guys to check out. It's all point-to-point wiring, you know, done the old way. I cobbled this housing together out of some copper clad that I had. A friend of mine gave me, and some proto board. It's not the most lovely looking device, but it'll do the job. And eventually there's going to be this wonderful meter on the front of it. I need to get a single throw double pole switch, or is it double pole? No. God, I always get those mixed up. Single pole double throw. There we go, and then that'll just go in there. The switch will go right here, and yeah, I'll have my voltage and current on the front, and be able to switch up. So there you go. That's what I've spent my entire day building, and this is for a video that I've got coming up. Well, that and cleaning the house, but either way, it gives you an idea. So, cool. Catch you later.